Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fan Cave. It's 10:17 p.m. Monday, November 27th, 2017, and what I have today is an old Superlectric box fan. It's a two-speed. Manufactured by Superior Electric Products from Cape Girardeau, Missouri. It's one of the it's indicative of the 1960s and 70s when they had, different colors, aqua and teal and, pea green and all these colors. This one's sort of a, kind of a baby blue. The blades are kind of dirty, but they appear to be blue as well. I could be wrong. Maybe they're just off white, but started off on high. And switch to low. And there were a number of fans like this over the years with, the metal exoskeleton with the plastic blades and plastic grill. You can tell it's your basic two-prong cord. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching this video. Please do click like if you would, and check out some of the other videos on my page here, my YouTube page called The Fan Cave. And feel free to check out my Facebook page of the same name. I post various pictures and videos and discussion material on there. And also, my name is Mark Wilson. You're welcome to send me a friend request if you'd like. I've met some of you before, I'm sure, at Fanimation and other fan outings I've had. Yeah, like I said, thanks again for watching. Good night and good luck.